Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys, that's right, you guys, from my home to your home, how to make a Copycat Frisco milk from Steak and Shake. Alright, now I got some meat over here, but you're only gonna see like one sandwich, okay? But I'm making about 5 sandwiches. So I got some ground chuck. This is ground chuck right here. So, but Steak and Shake, they do use that lean meat, okay? They use ground chuck and different other type of meat. So I don't have all that. I ain't got time for all that. But if you want to do all that, you can go ahead and get some of that lean meat. You know what I'm saying? But this is what I'm gonna do. We're gonna be making our homemade sauce too, our Frisco sauce. All right. So you're gonna need some sour bread right here. Got that at Kroger's. All right. That's ground chuck. That's 80-20. Ketchup. This is some Thousand Island, some French style dressing, and some Worcestershire sauce. And you're gonna also need some cheese. You're gonna need some American cheese, and you're gonna need some Swiss cheese. Alright, so without further ado, let's go ahead before we get to making those and make up our sauce. Alright, I'll also have some french fries that I sliced up over here. Can't have Frisco milk without the fries. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump in here. I'm not making a lot of it because there's only only gonna make 5 sandwiches. So okay, we're gonna come in here with like like 3 tablespoons of ketchup. This is sweet and tangy French style dressing. We're gonna come in here with like about 2 tablespoons of that. All right, guys, we're gonna come in here. Let me stop messing around with this Thousand Island. We're gonna do about 3 or 4 of those tablespoons. We're going to come in here with a couple dash of this Worcestershire sauce. 1, 2, there you go. We're just going to mix this up like so. Give that a taste. That's super good. Super good. That's how you make your Frisco sauce, right there, guys. All right. Now that we got that going, we're gonna go ahead and start on our burgers. All right. No, we're gonna start on our bread. I'm sorry, guys. Matter of fact, we're gonna start on our burgers. Yes. So I'll see you guys over there in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. Let me see if I can do this camera a little bit. About as good as I'm gonna get it. Cheese on there. Like that. I did put my fries in there. See if I can show you get that over there. I don't know if you can see that. I got my fries up in there cooking. Alright, let me come back over here. Now they don't put seasoning on theirs. So if you want to put a little bit on yours, go right ahead. This is yours. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish cooking this up, guys, and I'll see you guys when I get back. I'll turn this up over here because the eyes are smaller, and I'll start putting these bad boys together, these Frisco melts together, steak and shake Frisco melts. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. Like I said, I'm just going to show you guys a couple of sandwiches. This is what we're going to do. We're going to take some of this Frisco sauce. We're going to put it on this bread. Like that, on the top part. Like that, guys. I'm going to take our burger, use this one. I'm going to put that on there. I'm going to take us some cheese. Put that on there. Take our other burger, put that on there. And take us some more cheese. Just like so, guys. Alright. And there you go, right there. But we gotta grill it now. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this last one. And I'm gonna take you guys over there. See you guys over there in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of this butter on here. Take our Copycat steak and shake. Put that over here. Frisco melts. Like that, guys. And we're gonna let that cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. On your side, I got it on a low setting because I don't want to burn my bread. So I'll see you guys and I'll show you how everything looks in a minute. Okay guys, I'll just flip this one. I like mine like this. You're gonna get it like that if you want it like that, but I like mine a little bit darker. Alright, just make it taste a little bit better. Just don't burn it, okay? See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. There it is. Copycat steak and shake Frisco melt. Right here, guys. Like I say, I like mine a little darker on the darker side. You don't have to do yours like that, but that's how I like mine. So yep, that's how you do it. Anyway, so here I do have a piece right here that I'm gonna try for you guys, because I want you guys to be like, man, I wish you could have bit it. Anyway, let me go ahead and bite this guy. Super good. That's good. Guys need to really try this recipe. It is off the chain. Go ahead and get you a bite. So, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. If you guys like this video, please give me a like, a share, And please subscribe to the channel. And please, of course, hit that bell. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. It's VELDOGGS Kitchen. And I'm out of here. Much love.